All right, quick recap of section 2.2. What do you need to know? Thing one, you need to know the definition of a horizontal asymptote and how to tell if something is a horizontal asymptote. Remember, we're just dealing here with the limit as x goes to plus or minus infinity of some function is a constant. If it is a constant, then that is a horizontal asymptote. Thing two, you need to know the various properties of limits because we could ask you, for example, what is the limit of some sum of functions? And it would be, you need to know that that is just the limit of the first plus the limit of the second if we define those as L and M. Okay, that's from the book, so take a look there. Vertical asymptotes. You need to know how to tell if something is a vertical asymptote and use the definition of limits to prove that. What's the definition? As x goes to a from below of a function is plus or minus infinity, or if the limit as x goes to a from above of some function is plus or minus infinity, where a is just some non-infinite number, some finite number. Finally, end behavior models. What does a function do as x goes to infinity, and can you simplify it? The quick definition is that an end behavior model is a function where the limit as x goes to plus or minus infinity is equal to 1, where the function is f of x and the end behavior model is g of x. End behavior model and function. So usually you will be given f of x and asked to find g of x. You may also be given both and just asked to confirm, is that in fact an end behavior model? So what you have to do is you usually have to simplify by either dividing the functions or by substituting in infinity or negative infinity to see if in fact it does go to 1. All right. That's it. That's our recap.